Hello everyone, for today's video, my wife and I are setting up an organic balloon wall backdrop. As you can see, most of the balloons are already inflated to random sizes. So now we have to make clusters of balloon. All you have to do is twist 2 pairs of balloons, then add another 2 pairs, and it becomes total of 8 balloons altogether. If you want, you can even add more and make it up to 10 pairs of balloons. So on this one, I'm showing you how to add another balloon, a much bigger balloon. Just grab both ends of your balloons and tie them all together. So I'm gonna use 25 pounds fishing line, tie it to the actual backdrop stand. Use this one, tie it right on here. So just like that, so you tie it to the backdrop stand and then wrap it to your cluster of balloon, and then I'll wrap it on the bottom part of the balloon backdrop stand. Then again on the side, so it's nice and secure and it's not going nowhere. Add more clusters of balloons. So what I did here was, again, wrap it to the cluster of balloon and then to the bottom part of your backdrop stand. So we have another clusters of balloon. I secure it to the bottom existing clusters of balloons so it's nice and sturdy and it's not going nowhere. And then to the other clusters of balloon right there. So do the same thing over and over. So add more clusters to your clusters of balloon and then wrap it to the existing cluster of balloons. So we're getting there. So now I added another big balloon right there. So I like this idea because it looks nice and tight and it's not loose. I hope you learned something from this video today, and if you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe to our channel. Again, this is Fambam NY. So another one right there I added. So just grab your end of your balloon and then tie them together. Looking good so far. So guys, if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please leave it in the comment section down below, and we'll try to answer all your questions as soon as we can. Now we're on the top portion of our wall backdrop, so I also tied on the top backdrop stand right there, secure it so it's not gonna fall. So we can use 260 balloon. Grab the big balloon. Just have to tie this here. So another way to add a filler to the clusters of balloon is add a rubber band. Or you can use 260Q and add right there. So we have the fillers. Yes, like that. So we'll add a floral.
And then, yeah, and then the tip right here, we put some clear tape. So
Or
it's
you
not-
bend it so it's not
and
as
poke the
pointy.
balloons.
Yep.
And there you go everyone, it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today, and if you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, FemMNY here. We thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.